Hi, I'm Dr. Matthew Mintz. I'm an internal medicine and primary care physician. And after 20 years in the academic trenches, without any business experience, without any business training, I left academia to start my own private practice. Was I nervous and scared? Absolutely. But now, 5.5 years later, my practice is growing and thriving. And one of the things I learned is it's not really that hard to start your own practice. And that's why I'm passionate about helping other doctors start their own practices without some of the fear and concern that I had. So I'm really happy to be presenting at the SoMe Docs Entrepreneurship Conference. My presentation will be on Saturday, March the 4th at 2 p.m. It's called Step by Step to Starting Your Own Practice. Basically to talk about three things. Number one, why now is the perfect time to start your own practice. Number two, why it's really not that hard to start your own practice. And then finally, I'll take you step by step on all the things that you need to do to start your own private practice. And of course, I'll leave any time for question and answers. Hope to see you there.